Hello, my name is Sarah Bouchie, and I'm Vice President of Global Programs at the LEGO Foundation. I'm pleased to be able to join the USAID Global Education Learning Series to present the LEGO Foundation's response to the COVID-19 pandemic. The LEGO Foundation is a Danish foundation that aims to redefine play and reimagine learning. We work with partners across the globe to implement programs that make children's lives better. Together, we seek to ensure that the fundamental value of play is understood, embraced, and acted upon. We do this by putting early childhood development and quality education on the global agenda in order to make playful learning a reality. I want to start my talk today by asking a very important question, one that might seem a bit strange at first. Have you seen Swan Lake? If you have, please take a moment and picture when you saw it and what it felt like. Do you have it? Now, as you see this slide, which Swan Lake is it that you have seen? The performance, the National Wildlife Refuge, the lake, the town, the giant paddle boat, the graceful swan, or the Lego minifigure? Like most questions in life, there's more than one way to interpret what I asked of you. Yet too often, we find ourselves recreating educational environments that push children to find the right answer. At the LEGO Foundation, our work fundamentally challenges the construct of one best answer by asserting that an education should help the learner appreciate that most questions have many answers. And with imagination and persistence, parents, teachers, schools, and societies can help children see many ways to answer a single question. This is where learning through play comes in. Using a robust evidence base, we can identify that learning through play experiences have 5 characteristics: joyful, actively engaging, iterative, meaningful, and socially interactive. All 5 are not necessary all the time, but a playful mindset is fostered when these characteristics are presented in the activity. Children's development and learning is complex, which is why the LEGO Foundation takes a holistic view that highlights the importance of physical, cognitive, creative, and emotional skills. Research suggests that playful learning experiences appear to be a particularly effective way of developing these interconnected skills. These 5 skills are essential to children's positive development. So how does this shape what we do at the LEGO Foundation? We share the mission of the LEGO entities in inspiring and developing the builders of tomorrow. We believe that learning through play empowers children to become creative, engaged, lifelong learners, and to develop holistic skills that serve them, their communities, and society. We work to change the hearts and minds of those who influence children's lives through programs, research, and advocacy. In March, the LEGO Foundation and the LEGO Group announced a $50 million donation to support children most in need during the pandemic and ensure that they have access to learning through play. helping them to develop lifelong skills and strengthen their resilience. The Foundation developed different action streams to help us quickly program our commitment. We wanted to create a way to be immediately responsive, to stand in solidarity with our partners, to leverage our own body of work, to help systems build back better, and to use this moment to promote the transformational thinking we think learners so urgently deserve. This has led us to 4 areas of work. First, the Foundation has joined forces with the LEGO Group to start a Learning Through Play campaign. The objective is to support our audience with fun, easy learning through play activities to engage their children at home. Along with pushing out messages and activities, we're developing a playlist, our highly curated, regularly updated digital library of learning through play activities. Next, the Foundation has partnered with the LEGO Group to give out more than 70 small grants to actors working at the community level in 20 countries. These grants are helping to meet basic needs, support crisis centers, enhance education and learning, and provide mental health and psychosocial support services using learning through play. Third, we are supporting Foundation partners to preserve their operational capacity and enable them to respond to the crisis with learning through play in communities, especially for vulnerable children, and promote transformational thinking. A few of their logos are included here. It is urgent to understand how distance learning methods and tools can promote continuity of learning. Our goal is to help sort and sift how distance learning is being executed around the world and scale what's working quickly to support greater access for learners and enable systems to build back better. In addition to our special funding, we've had to work with all of our partners to rescope timelines and deliverables for existing grants. This is a snapshot of a few of the grantees in our teacher professional development portfolio. Prior to COVID-19, all of the grantees were completing their inception phase plans. This slide illustrates what happened when the pandemic showed up. Creative videos, collaboration with ministries and back-to-school campaigns, and telecounseling. Two more grantees from the same portfolio showed how partners have redirected work to radio broadcasts, formative studies, and alternative training events, always in close collaboration with government officials. Three months into our response, we have some reflections. First, taking time to listen and co-create with our partners has strengthened our efficacy as a donor. Second, we have actively decided this is a moment to try big ideas, even if they fail. Third, we have financial resources, but also the power to convene, to leverage a major global brand, to persuade others, and to offer our evidence and expertise. Fourth, there is urgency in the moment. And importantly, fifth, there's no one answer and no one question. Problems and solutions look vastly different depending upon how one approaches the pandemic. It's been a pleasure to share our experiences with you today, and I look forward to having a conversation with you. Please stay safe, play well, and learn.